Every great company is created by great leaders, and great leaders are not born, they're made.
That's why we have launched our new leadership training program
to empower our people to step up,
take charge, and shape the future.
A big part of being a successful leader is mastering the HR function. This starts from selecting the right people to creating the environment that allows your team to thrive. This also means learning how to retain your top talent through coaching, mentoring, or training, but also knowing when to have difficult conversations to manage low performance. Strengthening your HR skills will help you create a motivated, professional, and most importantly, a high-performing team.
There is high energy here, ambitious goals, and a constant push to be better, both in business and personal development. As the #1 company in the market, we are committed to staying leaders always. Our focus here is to collaborate with the team leaders and teams to grow, enhance performance, improve productivity, achieve the targets and goals, and deliver exceptional results.
This program helps our leaders to integrate new joiners quickly, reduce the time to the first deal, and raise overall performance. Our training is 10% delivery, 90% interactive with activities, role plays, and real-life scenarios. Learning continues online in Metropolitan Academy, where our leaders can refresh their knowledge anytime. The progress is tracked through the scorecard, where we measure participation, assessments, online completion, and on-the-job implementation, ensuring the real results.
At Metropolitan, we are proud to foster a culture of continuous learning. My role is to ensure that every part of this program is supported by high-quality, engaging online learning that makes knowledge accessible and easy to apply. The program is CPD accredited, meeting international standards of professional development. All team leaders who successfully complete the training with full marks will receive the CPD certification in leadership, a globally recognized qualification that reflects your expertise. The program is your opportunity to strengthen your leadership, elevate your team's performance, and contribute even more to Metropolitan success. See you at the graduation ceremony.